Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So it's very nice weekend. So beautiful weather today. So I'm gonna take you to the one park and the beach at the same time. That is pretty close by our apartment. So yeah, we are waiting for the bus. This is the current situation. Basically on the weekend. So this one is the Kościelna Street. Yeah, in front of my apartment, and behind me is beautiful but nice bakery. So yeah, we will wait. Apartment over there, Zapka, and then the security guy 24/7. That's in front of me is the gas station. Basically, that they gonna demolish that gas station and change it into the park. From that's the edge of the street until this long, like this. Arrive in the kind of the woods, kind of the park, and then we will see later on. It's very nice, green. So here is the walk to go to the beach, to the lake. It's quite busy because of it's the weekend. Nice. Can you hear the sound of the birds, the nature? This is what I really like in Poznan. Everywhere you go is green, just literally 10 minutes, 15 minutes, by public transportation. Green park, green jungle like this. Beautiful. People cycling, walking, nice. Right, so we just arrived in front of me. That's the restaurant, beer place, and the children playground. Yes, we arrived in Rusauka. If you remember this place, yes, here we are now. That's the pizza restaurant where Damian and I having pizza last time, and I think like now they are busy because of a long weekend. You see. Nice. I feel like I wanna buy ice cream, and we arrive here. Look at the playground, and that's the beach basically. Wow, it's so busy and people having a barbecue there. Look at this. Wow, wow, and wow, very nice. Busy people enjoying their time on the beach, on the park, having a barbecue. This is the lake. Look at the blue sky. Very nice. Pity that Damian still working, but yeah. Beautiful. I really like it. Look at this, and people enjoying by floaties, and that one riding this one. It's very nice. This is the summer holiday here actually. Very nice. It is very nice to see how the people enjoying their time here, by the beach. It's very nice weather, sunshine, warm temperature by the lake. It's beautiful. It's just like, if I can compare it again, it's just like a Sanur beach on the weekend. So packed of people. Nice. It's beautiful, and people having a picnic, and someone having a birthday. Very nice. So I keep walking and walking to the wood. It is a very nice walk, and it's just like forest bathing, It's so enjoyable. And look at this. Very nice. I decided to have a ice cream, small ice cream. They said small, but for me already big. It's actually 9 zloty. Very nice. Look at the blue sky, beautiful, and people enjoying their time. And look at the playground in front of me. It's maybe because of super hot, not many child playing in the playground. And this one also so many fun games activities. So it's very family friendly place. So far so good. Right, so basically this one is the pizza restaurant situation when it is lunchtime. It's quite busy outside, sitting, and then they're also so nice. It's very nice, a beautiful weather. And this one, wow, look at this, so many people are enjoying their best time here. Can you hear the sound of the bird? Very nice. So I decided to buy Zappy Kanki pepperoni here for 19 zloty. This one looks like this. It's so big with the ketchup sauce on the top. And here is the place. This is literally like a summer tropical holiday in look like in Bali. People sitting here enjoying beer and food. Smacznego! This is very nice zapikangka basically. So enjoying zapikangka while enjoying the sunshine. So nice. I'm so happy. So that's the restaurant and the garden. And next to me is the children playground. That's another restaurant and the beer garden. Very nice. It's very nice to see how people are really, chill here. Let's go home by this way. Look at this nature. So nice. Beautiful. Right, I think that's all my video today, guys, from Rusauka and the garden. So it's very enjoyable. At least I still can get my tropical sunshine vibe here. That is very close by my home. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. So that basically the kind of the bus that we were before to go to the park, and it's very comfy, very nice. We just arrived home and then it's already cloudy and rainy. In front of me is the bus station, so my bus was stopped there. And here is the again we're back again. Here is the gas station that they're gonna demolish and they're gonna build the park from that edge until there. So this is how is my neighborhood. Basically the situation already raining, so it's gonna be a very long garden in the middle of the apartment complex, just like this. That's the bus station over there where we started before, and behind is the bakery Natura, my daily bakery. Not mine, but every day I go there to buy bakery pastries. And this is the park in the middle, and there are so many restaurants there in the corner. So yeah, it's raining. Nice. So one thing that I really like about the concept of destroying the old building, becoming a new garden, so make it more green and green surrounding, right? Just like this. I'm really happy with that.